again! Welcome to my channel! Hi friends and classmates! I hope you are doing good today. Kids, I know that you are bored just like me, but you need to stay at home to avoid the virus. Me and my classmate didn't able to take our last exam because of the quarantine, but our teacher gave us a website called DepEd Commons so that we can review and study our lessons. Yay! So I will teach you how to access and use the website. Let's start!
So here you can use a cell phone, tablet, or laptop. Then we will go to Chrome and then search DepEd Commons. Then click. Then we will write the school number or the name of our school. Like I will write here Punta Princesa. Punta Princesa, Cebu City. So I'll choose the elementary school, then click save. Then we will select the grade level. Like I'm grade 1, so I'll click grade 1. Then there's a lot of subject like English, Math, Filipino, Araling Panlipunan. So I'll choose English first. Let's try it. Then go to link. So it's loading. So we can play or review. We can review by using the flashcards. So here the settings, there's a timer, read aloud, power ups. So you can choose read aloud, but I prefer not to, so that I can also practice my reading. So let's start playing. Number 1. Blank, sweet, and fresh apples near the speaker. That is, those are, this are, this is. I'll answer this are. Number 2. Arrange the pictures according to the beginning, middle, and end. Choose the correct order of the pictures. Check this first. Okay. Number 3. You want to go to the comfort room while the class is going on. What will you say? I go to the CR. Ma'am, may I go? Please excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, may I go to the CR? I choose this. Arrange the pictures from the beginning to end. So, you must wash, dry, and fold. Number 5. Identify the effect. Jane studied for the test. So maybe she got high score in the test. I think that's the answer. Correct. Power up. Wow, so nice. Identify the effect. Nina ate too much. Maybe her stomach hurts. Oh, it's correct. Oh, this game is so fun. Oh, I got the first place. Number 7. When you meet a friend, what do you say? Of course. How are you? That's the answer. Number 8. Arrange the picture from beginning to end. This second picture, I think. See? I got it right. Number 9. One morning, Mother said, today is the last day of May. It's school time again, but rainy days are here. Mother, Cynthia said, what will we do if the rain doesn't stop? Go to the school wearing a raincoat, Mother said. If today is last day of May, what is tomorrow? So the answer is first day of June, I think. Wow! I got it. Power up again. Number 10. Identify the effect. Rico forgot to water the plants. Surely the plants died. Is it right? Yes, I got it. Number 1 again. Number 11. Dario was alone in his room. He was drawing his pet dog. His pet dog was quiet while he was drawing it. Dario colored the picture brown and white. He wrote a story under it. It's like this. This is my pet. It is Spotty. It's my playmate. I love Spotty. What did Dario call his pet? That's Spotty. Got it. Number 12. Identify the effect. Ray is washing his hands. So, his hands become clean. Correct. Power up again. One morning, I think I read that earlier, so I will just answer directly. What will the children not able to do that day? I think playing kite. Got it. I rank number 1 again. Number 14. One afternoon, Jordan meets Mrs. Anlacan, the school principal. What will Jordan say? So it's afternoon, so you'll say, "Good afternoon, ma'am." Yeah, that's right. Number 15. Arrange the pictures according to the beginning and end. So, I think the first picture, maybe? Yes, correct. Halfway done. 16. Arrange the pictures according to the beginning and to end. So, I think the answer is the second picture. That's correct. Power up again. Number 17. Mang Jose keeps our school clean. Blank is the school janitor. So Mang Jose is a boy, so I will answer he. Got it. I'm a goat? Number 18. Dario was alone in his room. I read the story already. So, what did I write under his drawing? So, it's a story. 19. I need your help on Friday. May I visit? She, it, he, you. So, it's you. Correct. 20. Ami is pointing a bird flying up in the sky. Blank a bird. That is. 21. Nini is the smallest in the family. When she cries, mother gives her milk. She sleeps in a little bed. Nini cannot walk yet. She can only sit. Everybody loves her. She makes everybody happy. What did mother give Nene? So it's milk. Pour up again. Number 22. What will you say to your brother when you want to borrow his pencil? May I borrow your pencil? Correct. 23. Nini, about Nini again. So, who is the smallest in the family? The answer is Nini, of course. Story about Dario again. So, what was Dario doing? He is drawing. 25. Mrs. Pilar Cruz goes to school every day. Blank is our kind principal. Mrs. Pilar, so it's a girl, so she is the answer. Identify the effect. Laika felt sick one day. Felt sick, so I think she was brought to the clinic. I got it. Power up. Story about Dario again. So, what was Dario's pet? Of course, it's a dog. 28. One morning, mother said today is the last day. I read it already. So, what happened if rain doesn't stop? I think the streets will be flooded. It's correct. 29. About Nini again. So what is true about Nini? Nini is a baby. Yes. So last number. Miss Cruz is a teacher. Blank, need to check your paper. Speaker. So I think it's I. Game ended. So that's it. That's simple. You can also choose another games here, another quizzes. Or you can print the flashcards so that you can review the answers. It's so simple, right?
Kids, I really like the website about the sound effects, and it was like a game, like a real game, but with quizzes. It was very nice. You must try it also. So kids, hope you learned something. See you soon. Bye! But wait. Pray harder and never go outside. For real, I'm gonna say bye. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you!